Hey, this is Sahil, and we saw some members had some people pitch them in DM or spam them. If you find someone doing that, just go to the chat section and yeah, where's that person? Yeah, this person. Okay, so this person was talking about drop shipping, and I know that this person is trying to spam, and you just go here on these three dots and just report Gary Leslie, report him, okay, and block him. Now you he or she, like, and that person will not be able to bother you again, and just tell us in the DM to John or me, this was person, just remove him from the community, he was doing this, and we'll remove him from the group as well. So yeah, see you, bye bye.